My best makeup routine for travel, very simple. My brows are on. Blending is what takes the longest. So I'm using really simple foundation. I have sunscreen in my moisturizer underneath. Sometimes I use like a CC cream. I'll link all my favorites below. And this time, I usually do this one at a time. I usually start with blush and use my fingers, and then I'll do the contour, and then I will blend. I don't know what got into me today. You try different things. It was a little messy. I don't think I'd do it this way again, but I do layer them pretty close together. I decided to skip highlight with this look because I'm wearing a dress that's way out of my color season. I'm wearing like a burnt orange, and I'm a winter, a bright winter at that. So, and can we please talk about how cute my new phone case is? It's got this mirror here for like fixing your lipstick or checking your teeth. So cute, in less than 10 bucks. I got it on Etsy. I'll link that too. Here's my go-to travel palette. It's the Emily collection. I'll link that too. I just use the two light colors all over my lid, and then I use that medium color here from Tartist, and then the contour color. This is the lip palette I used. I mixed these. I will link this, and I ended up putting this over the top. It's a really good plumping lip. My favorite mascara of all time, showing my nails here, and the concealer I used. It's a really good concealer. It's not the best I've ever used in my whole life, but as far as like not settling into wrinkles, if you have mature skin like me, I'm over 40, or you know, you just want some really good coverage. It was my birthday yesterday when I took this video, so I had a couple drinks, and I hardly ever drink and eat salty food, fried food. I don't normally do that either, so I'm really puffy on this day and had dark circles and having allergies in Savannah. So I definitely needed every bit of help I could get with my makeup on this day, especially concealer. It's just a lifesaver. So I usually go with my fingers and dot it on. And then sometimes if it's a thicker concealer like this one with really good coverage, I'll go in with a sponge and just kind of blend it out. That helped a lot. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. Using my travel brush to do an Laura Mercier all over powder, and my ink, Maybelline ink eyeliner, which I love. I do this palette for travel. I mixed a pink and a red in this case, and then I added on lip injection. It's a nice plumper. And lashes. Ta-da, all done. And this is how it wore throughout the day. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my baby channel.